In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about maximizing your free dice roll rewards. We'll delve into a variety of methods that will help you earn more dice and enhance your gaming experience. So let's get started and make sure you never miss out on those crucial dice rolls. First up, completing boards is one of the essential ways to earn free dice rolls. By successfully finishing a board and advancing to the next, you'll be rewarded with extra rolls. It's a great motivation to keep playing and moving forward. Another exciting way to gain dice is by participating in events and tournaments. These are limited time opportunities where your progress can lead to significant rewards, including the potential to earn dice with higher multipliers for even bigger returns. So always be on the lookout for the latest events that you can participate in. Turning our attention to daily activities, be sure to complete quick wins. These involve daily tasks designed to offer you rewards like dice, cash, and stickers. They're a simple yet effective way of boosting your daily earnings without much effort. Speaking of collections, completing sticker albums not only satisfies the collector in you, but also grants substantial dice roll rewards. So keep an eye on your albums and make sure to finish them for those bonuses. And don't forget about building landmark sets. When you complete a color set of landmarks, you will receive a reward from the color set wheel mini game. This adds another layer of strategy to your gameplay, as well as a fun element of surprise in seeing what you'll win next. Additionally, if you enjoy organizing, filling up your shelves in the showroom will also yield rewards, including those coveted dice. It's a satisfying way to showcase your achievements while earning a little something extra. There are also daily and regular rewards waiting for you. By logging in every day, you can claim your daily treat, which can include free dice. Plus, every 8 hours, you can snag a free gift containing dice once you've reached a certain net worth in the game. Keep an eye out for the community chest minigame opportunity once you add 5 friends. This allows you to tap into a pool of rewards that can uplift your gameplay experience. If you're a part of the Tycoon Club, don't miss out on claiming the daily gifts available through it. It's an excellent resource to steadily gain more dice. Beyond these core methods, inviting friends to join the game can also get you extra dice. And remember to keep an eye on official social media channels for potential free dice links that may be shared. Lastly, consider trading duplicate stickers with friends to complete sticker albums more efficiently. This not only brings you closer to completing your collection, but also enhances your chance of earning dice rewards for your efforts. By following these strategies, you'll set yourself up with a steady stream of dice rolls, paving your way to victory. Thanks for tuning in, and happy gaming!